Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how old plastic sandals are recycled and transformed into brand new ones.
Back up further, near the blue pile.
We need more sacks over here.
Hurry, the next truck is waiting.
This one is definitely reusable. Looks good to me. But this blue pair is too damaged.
Watch the left side, bring it in slowly. Clear.
Good.
Set it down here. Next one ready.
Put that pallet in aisle 4. We need the sandals on the conveyor belt now.
Copy that. Moving now.
Strict safety and environmental standards guide every step of our sandal collection and sorting process.
Ensure the temperature holds steady on line 3.
Confirmed. The next cycle is clear.
This one looks good. Did you check the sole on the yellow one? Yeah, just had a small pebble. They're moving fast today.
Quality control ensures plastic flakes meet strict standards for reuse. Strict safety and environmental protocols protect workers and the environment during cleaning and grinding.
Strict safety and environmental protocols ensure a safe and efficient molding process.
Strict safety and environmental protocols ensure a safe and efficient molding process.
Almost done with these soles.
Okay, I just finished applying the logos on the tan ones.
Looks good. We're making good time today.
Strict safety protocols protect workers from paint fumes and chemicals.
we're ahead of schedule on the orange straps.
The new automated system is really speeding things up.
Every sandal undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure durability and comfort.
This leather is perfect for the new line. Yeah, the stitching looks real clean on these brown ones. They're ready for the box.
Bring that pallet right here, next to the blue one. It's secure.
We need 2 more for the truck over there.
Strict safety and environmental protocols ensure a safe and sustainable production process.
These look good, ready for boxing. Perfect, keep them coming.
Here is the next batch for the screen.
Got it. Scanning now. Looks good.
Keep it coming. Watch the clearance on the left. Looks good. Set it down.
This is our new arrival, very popular right now.
I love the detail on the strap. Let me try this one on.
Our factory is surrounded by green spaces and powered by renewable energy, reflecting our dedication to a cleaner planet.
Advanced water recycling systems ensure minimal water waste during production.
Continuous monitoring helps us reduce emissions and improve efficiency.
Eco-friendly packaging minimizes environmental impact during distribution.
Our commitment to sustainability is recognized through industry awards and certifications.
That sustainability is not just a goal, it's our responsibility. Together, we're building a cleaner, greener future.
Every sandal we create is a step toward a greener future. From recycled scrap plastic to precision craftsmanship,